Hey everyone, do you know you could promote clickbank product on YouTube Shorts? So there is big potential on YouTube Shorts to getting views and getting sales on our clickbank products. Those who don't know what is a YouTube Shorts, basically YouTube Shorts is an alternative to TikTok. It is not completely alternative but similar to TikTok, where people create contents about 60 seconds, in between 60 seconds, and upload a video on YouTube with hashtag shorts in the title and the description. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can promote clickbank product. No, you don't have to create any video by yourself, or you don't have to record your own video, or you don't have to show your face on camera. But I'm going to show you a method that you're able to promote clickbank products on the YouTube channel. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos and updates. So without further delay, let's jump into it. So step number 1, create an account with clickbank and choose your first product. So in order to create your account, you want to come on to the clickbank. Just click the link description below. It will take you to the clickbank, and you want to click on sign up here. So once you click on sign up, it will take you to another page where you want to enter your credential to sign up for the clickbank. As you can see here, it is 100% free to join. Now you want to enter your credential here to sign up, and then you want to click on accept terms and conditions. You will read everything, and then you want to click on continue, or you want to click on join clickbank. So once you join it, then you want to log in into your account. So let me log in quickly. I already account with clickbank. So when you log in into your account, or you create an account with clickbank first time, then you want to click on marketplace here to see all the categories. So once you click on marketplace, then you want to see all the categories, and you want to select your interest niche to select your product. You can click on this arrow to select see the all subcategories of this specific category. Okay, so I'm going to promote custom keto diet. So I'm going to type custom keto diet, and then you want to click on this magnifying glass to search your result. So once you click on this magnifying glass, now most important thing is you can select this product, and you can see your commission of when someone buy your product. So what you want to do is you want to find the affiliate page where you want to get all your material to promote this product. Just click on it. It will take you to the another page where you want to find your videos like this. If your niche don't have video, then you can change that niche to another niche. All right, so once you find the video, what you want to do is you want to click on to download the video, and you want to download into your computer by clicking the button. I already downloaded, so I'm not going to download that again. Now let me show you how a sales page look like by clicking this button here, link here. So once you click on it, it will take you to the sales page, and the page will look like this. It could be, if you select any other affiliate product, and then you're not gonna see like this. This is basically custom keto diet. If you select another product, let me show you how it's look like. It's going to be different from this page. It's up to your affiliate products. All right, it's look like this, and you can see here, and you can find the materials on the affiliate page. Okay, so that's the first step. So step number 2 is edit your video. We're going to use Canva to edit our video, and Filmora. After we download from here, we're going to edit in the Filmora, and so third thing you're going to need is text to speech software. As you can see, I will use the Blaster Suite Speech Hello to text to speech software. As you can see, let me play it and review so you can see. And this is paid software, by the way, guys. You can use any free software out there. You just want to type on Google or free text to a speech free software. Okay, and you're able to find the audio. Text to free software on the YouTube. Google search. Now let me show you a demo of the.
Hey everyone, my name is Billy Joey. This is a preview. For full
Okay, you heard that. It's really nice. And then what you want to do is you want to go to the canva.com and you want to click on create a design, and then you want to click type mobile here to create a mobile view, because we're going to upload shorts. That's why we're gonna need the mobile screen. Okay, so you want to click on mobile screen and it would take you to this page like this. Okay, then you want to upload your video on the upload section. So you want to click on upload media, and from your drive where you want to find your all the videos where you download you just find your videos and download and click on it and open that video onto Canva. So once you're done, what you want to do is just you want to click on the video to show up in the, so you want to drag, okay guys, like that. And we're going to leave that space top and bottom because we're gonna need text to know the people. We have some link in description. Okay, so you want to click on text here and you want to select any text from here. Okay, I'm going to select this one. This look nice to me. Then you want to type your description here, like let me type something like that, learn more, link in the description. Now if you want to change some specific text color, what you want to do is just you want to select that text and you want to come to your color panel and you're able to change the color as well. Now let me change the blue. Bye. As you can see, if you want to copy that text, then you want to copy and put down here. Okay, so as you can see it looks good. And now what you want to do is you want to click on download here to download your video, and you make sure you select MP4 and download the, wait guys, it's just messed up. Okay, click on download button to download your video. Now you want to save your video into your folder where you want it to save. Then click on save button to save your video. As you can see, it's been just saved. Now what you want to do is you want to go to the Filmora and you want to click on new project, and then you want to upload edit video into the Filmora by double clicking on it. Then you want to find your video and enter that video into the timeline. And first, one more thing we're going to do is we're going to add speech to text. We create that mp3 text file, speech file, that we're going to add here. Okay, now let me just drag and drop the video like that here. So as you can see, this video looks good to us. Now what you want to do is we're going to add the speech on the top of the video. So now let me just cancel that, and first let me make volume down and right click on it and click import, and then you wanna select your, so this is my speech where I'm going to drag and drop in here like that. Okay, let me play it let me export, and then I'm going to play that. Just click on export, and let me give it name like this is my video. Let's do it. Just click my video. Okay guys, so it's going to take time to render this video. So once you finish the render, what you want to do is you want to click on find the target to find your video. So step number 3 is upload video on YouTube. So first go to your YouTube channel and press this create button here and click on upload video. Then you want to find your video where you saved, and then you want to drag and drop your video in here like that. Okay, so now this is the most important thing is what we're gonna do is first we're going to delete the description here like that and title. So now what you want to do is you want to give it title to your video. So let me show you how you can give it title to your video. So you want to find your all videos where you downloaded from your affiliate site. Then you want to right click on it and then you want to click on rename and copy the name and go to YouTube and paste your name here, and make sure you write hashtag and sort. Okay, so that's how you upload videos. I copy the link and paste here as well. Copy the name and paste here as well. And then now what we're gonna do is we're going to add our affiliate link in the description. So first of all, go ahead and go to your clickbank account and click on promote here. Okay, click on this promo button to generate your hop link. So once you click on promo button, pop-up will show up and you want to click on generate hop link to generate your hop link. Then you want to click once it generates a hop link, then you want to click on this two files icon to copy your hop link. So you have successfully copied your hop link. Okay, so we're not going to paste this link directly because that's a weird link to me. Okay, then you want to close this pop-up and go to the bit.ly. Just type bit.ly on your search bar and it would take you to bit.ly. If you have a create account with bit.ly, you can create you can create account simply in bit.ly. And then what you want to do is you want to click on create and you want to paste your link here and it would give you a short link. Okay, as you can see, it gives you short link. You want to click copy to copy your link and click save and close this window, and you want to come to your YouTube channel and paste your link here. And what you want to do is you want to write learn more. So like that, then you want to click on next and next and next again and click on publish, and boom, you successfully upload your video on the YouTube Shorts. Now when someone saw your video and click the link description below, it would take you to your link, that your affiliate site. Now let me show you how it's look like so you can understand how it works. So when someone watches your video, now it's loading guys, so wait. So as you can see that guys, our video here and shorts here, as you can see we have a hashtag and shorts, and this is the link of your affiliate product. If someone click on the link, it would take you to the new page where is your affiliate landing page is, and this would be your hop link. Okay, so that's how you promote clickbank products guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to comment. And if you want to learn more about the affiliate marketing right away and how you can make good money from the affiliate marketing, just click the link description below. It would